Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. They answer the question when. The 5 main adverbs of time are now, today, yesterday, tomorrow, and soon. These words help make sentences clear about timing. Here are the 5 core adverbs of time. Now means at this moment. Today means this day. Yesterday means the day before today. Tomorrow means the day after today. Soon means in a short time from now. Adverbs of time usually go at the end of sentences. She will come tomorrow. He visited us yesterday. We are leaving now. The meeting will start soon. Notice how these words clearly show when each action happens. Never use 2 adverbs of time together in the same sentence unless one shows frequency and the other shows specific time. Saying I will go tomorrow soon is wrong. Use only one time adverb per sentence. Adverbs of time can go at the beginning or end of sentences. Both are correct. End position, I will go tomorrow. Beginning position, tomorrow I will go. Beginning position adds emphasis on when. She arrived yesterday means it happened in the past. We will meet soon means near future. I am working now shows present moment. They visited us last week means recent past time. Wrong, I will call you yesterday. This mixes future will with past yesterday. Correct, I called you yesterday. Use past tense called with past time yesterday. Always match verb tense with time adverb. Adverbs of time clearly express when something happens. Place them at beginning, middle, or end depending on emphasis. Avoid contradictory time expressions. Now you understand how to use now, today, yesterday, tomorrow, and soon.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.